Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. It's time for Solana. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of the video that this is historic, and if you guys are listening to my voice, you guys might be like, Crypto ZX, did you just wake up this Saturday morning? Absolutely. I just woke up and what a great sight to wake up to, guys. Solana has finally done it, and this is huge, and this is something I've spoken about, even gave you guys an update last night regarding this, and as a matter of fact, we have seen Solana break into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys can see it's up 20.6%, and at this rate, the question continuously keeps coming: when is Solana even going to cool off? And this is why I've continued to say that, the Solana FOMO run hasn't even started. We had a significant bear market, which really caused the price of Solana to fall down significantly. But let's take a look at what exactly is happening. So you guys can see Solana is up 47% on the weekly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, 184%, guys. This cannot be made up. This is massive. If we're looking at Solana, once again in the top 10 coins, it is the top gainer, up a staggering 21%. And this is making me think that there's something going behind the scenes that we're not aware of. You can see the price of Solana is currently sitting at $61.78, up 21% in both Bitcoin and USD comparative. We're seeing the market cap climbing like there's no tomorrow, up $26 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost 4.6 billion. There's definitely something going behind the scenes, because you guys can see the rank of Solana is at that top 6th spot now, and this is something that no one, and if you think that you are already a Solana bull now and you're like a huge Solana believer, ask yourself, were you really accumulating Solana over the past months? And of course, were you really believing in Solana when it was at its lowest price point, when the negativity was insanely high? That's what you need to be asking yourself. But let's take a further look and see what is happening and the significance of this move. As always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So guys, we have done it. The price of Solana has finally broken out into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is something I'm honestly left speechless for, because guys, I continuously was saying around this resistance, once we break out this time around, it will be different. The matter was for us to close above this resistance. We did make our ways back up to this above this resistance back in July as well, but the difference was that we never saw the price of Solana actually closing above there. This time around, we did close above here, and look at what happened. Of course, the entire market extremely bullish as well. That also played a huge factor. But if you picked up some Solana at that resistance, you are up right now 134%, and that's in a matter of just a few days, guys. And this momentum has shocked the entire crypto space. We're seeing people that were talking super negative about Solana within this range, within this accumulation range. Let me tell you guys this right here. Yeah, this was the accumulation zone right here, and the amount of negativity around here was insane. Of course, a lot of uncertainty, and Solana's been through a lot. Let's face it, it's been through insane amount of FUD. Of course, the FTX connection, how Sam Bankman-Fried held a huge chunk of Solana, that's a huge factor as well. And also, they had a lot of people just burdening the project because of that certain news specifically, and SEC came out and labeled it as a security. So it's been through a lot. It's been through a lot, but despite that factor, there's been people that were accumulating as much as possible. And if you guys paid attention, we were seeing whales accumulating. There was a rumor also going around that, when FTX came out that, they're going to start, liquidating their, funds to pay off creditors. Solana is a huge, huge asset in their, books. And there was rumor that whales want to purchase that OTC off of these FTX, off of the FTX books. So, these factors probably have something to do with it. But what I'm understanding is, smart money finally realized that, hey, Solana actually has a lot going for itself, and especially after that Ethereum ETF news, that has given it more of a push, because now Solana can finally do what it was able to do. So now Ethereum is not seen as a development side of things. It's not looked at how Ethereum's tech is. People are going to be looking elsewhere, and Solana's meme coin season over the past 2 to 3 days has started. A lot of eyes are on Solana right now. Never like this before, in my opinion, and I think this run has shocked a lot of people. What we're seeing BTC do is Bitcoin is back at 37,123, but it's pretty much staying stagnant around here. And I mentioned in my video yesterday, if Bitcoin is able to stay stagnant, we could see Solana ripping into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and that's exactly what happened. And we're sitting at a $67 Solana. Guys, let me just tell you something. Just last month, literally 1 month ago, we were sitting at a $20 Solana. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. And if you picked up some Solana on October 11th, you are up right now about 200%. So I know this has left a lot of people speechless, but what is causing this rally? Is there potential that, we are seeing some things that's happening behind the scenes that we're not aware of? Absolutely. There is probably something going on behind the scene. Well, from my guess is that there is massive institutional accumulation that's taking place. Because, this rally, guys, this amount of cash inflow into Solana this fast, is quite rare, especially that, we haven't even started the bull market to that extent. I think institutions are picking up Solana as we speak. And look, guys, there seems to be life once again in Solana. And the craziest thing now is that, if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, of course, if we look at it on the daily time frame, things look different because the charts are a little bit more zoomed in. But if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, the main resistance that's coming in the way of Solana is $78.92. And this is insane. If it's able to reach that before we close out the year, I think I will be just left not just only speechless, I would just go crazy at that point. But huge day for Solana. The reason why we are back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since May 9th of 2022 when the bear market started, and now this ends the accumulation zone. Today is the day. It's official. Accumulation zone for Solana is over. So great things to see. What I would love to see Solana do is close into the 78.6 before the day comes to an end. But wow, what a sight to wake up to. Let me know down below what you guys think. Wow, I know a lot of people are going to be excited about this. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.